Would you say I'd rather or I prefer? Many English learners confuse these expressions, but not you after today. Here are 30 quiz questions with real-life examples. Choose the correct answer, learn the difference, and sound more natural in English.
Do you want coffee or tea?
I'd rather have tea. How do you usually travel to work?
I prefer to go by train. Do you want to go out or stay home tonight?
I'd rather stay home. Do you like cats or dogs more?
I prefer cats. Do you want to talk about it?
I'd rather not talk about it. What's your usual breakfast?
I prefer cereal to toast. Do you want to go now or later?
I'd rather go now. Do you like reading or watching TV?
I prefer reading to watching TV. Do you want pizza or pasta?
I'd rather have pasta. Which do you enjoy more, summer or winter?
I prefer summer. Would you like to watch a movie or go for a walk?
I'd rather watch a movie. What kind of food do you usually eat?
I prefer healthy meals. Do you want to meet tomorrow or next week?
I'd rather meet tomorrow. Do you enjoy football or basketball more?
I prefer football. Do you want to sit by the window or the aisle?
I'd rather sit by the window. Which do you like more, coffee or juice?
I prefer coffee. Shall we stay inside or go outside?
I'd rather go outside. Do you usually eat rice or bread with dinner?
I prefer rice. Would you like to drive or take the bus?
I'd rather take the bus. What do you usually listen to, podcasts or music?
I prefer music. Do you want to stay here or leave?
I'd rather stay here. Do you usually drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea to coffee. Do you want to start now or later?
I'd rather start now. What sport do you enjoy more?
I prefer tennis. Would you like to call him or email him?
I'd rather call him. Do you usually shop online or in stores?
I prefer shopping online. Do you want to wait here or go inside?
I'd rather go inside. What do you like better, apples or oranges?
I prefer apples. Would you like to walk or take a taxi?
I'd rather walk. What do you usually watch, movies or series?
I prefer series. Great job! You've just completed 30 quiz questions on would rather versus prefer. Remember, prefer equals general likes and habits. Would rather equals specific choices in the moment. Keep practicing and soon you'll use both naturally in everyday English. If this helped you, like, share and subscribe for more English quizzes.